dusty trail. The sun is blazing, but we never fail. With leather reins and a heart of steel, we're riding forward, it's the real deal. Stonedust flying as the horses run, chasing horizons beneath the blazing sun. The road is rough, but the spirit's free, a stagecoach rolling through eternity. In the evening breeze, stories of journeys and wild memories. Each mile we cross, a tale untold, through mountains high and canyons bold. Stonedust flying as the horses run, chasing horizons beneath the blazing sun. The road is rough, but the spirit's free, a stagecoach rolling through eternity. Carry dreams on this bumpy ride through the open plains where hopes collide. With every hoofbeat, the future calls, a song of freedom that never stops.